Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. Soon we will say goodbye to summer and welcome a new season, fall. Even though I'm not the biggest fan of this time of the year, gloomy weather allows us to spend more time at home and focus on our hobbies. So if you are a craft lover as I am, grab your supplies and let's make some fall decorations. To create decorative mushrooms, you will need styrofoam balls, ideally in different sizes. Each ball I need to cut in half. Usually they have like a line on them indicating the middle part. To cut styrofoam, I think a serrated knife will work the best. Then I make a small hole in the center. It's a place where the stick will go to. I wanted to use velvet fabric for this project. I didn't have any at home and couldn't find any nice one quickly enough, so I decided to use felt fabric instead. I think it will also create an interesting look. I measure how much of it I will need for each half ball. As it's a round shape, I cut circle out of my fabric. Using similar color thread, I start simple stitch all around the fabric very close to its edge. This sewing technique will allow you to pull the thread all the way, collecting the fabric together. I place the styrofoam inside and pull the thread. It goes nicely around. You can fix and move some of the fabric around for better finish. Then I simply make a knot to secure the fabric in place. To make some of the mushroom more funky, I cut out little dots and attach them around the mushroom's cap. Grab small wooden sticks from outside and use them as a mushroom stalk. I place fair amount of hot glue inside the hole and push in the stick. If you didn't cut the big enough piece of fabric and now the hole is too big, you can fix it. I cut small circle and push it in inside the hole. Cute little decoration. You can play around with the fabric type and colors. Decorate the cups with some beads. This is such a relaxing and cool craft idea, perfect for any age. I was inspired by the TikTok. I will leave the name of the account down below. This project will almost cost you nothing. All you need to do is to go outside and collect leaves from the ground. You want them to be quite fresh, not the ones which are already dry and hard. Collect all different colors and shapes. Make sure to wash them and dry before moving to the next step. I take gloss Mod Podge and cover each leaf on both sides. Do it gently as some leaves might be soft and fragile. Once the Mod Podge dried out, but not fully, basically a leaf doesn't stick to your finger, but it's still quite soft. Place them flat between the greaseproof paper and put the weight on them. Leave for at least a few hours. After that, leaves became nice and flat. I glue white paper to the board from my frame and start arranging the leaves. Using Mod Podge, I glue each one to the paper. Generous amount of glue on the whole side of the leaf. I cut different color leaves into small squares, like a tile pieces you would use for normal mosaic. And just like with mosaic, I start gluing these pieces on the empty space on my paper around the other leaves. I keep similar distance between each piece. Once the picture is finished, I put again the greaseproof paper and some weight on it. Cool idea if you also like to change the artwork around your house according to the season. Great craft to do with your kids. Will look nice on the wall as a set of few. This is super quick and easy project which will bring autumn charm to your space. All you need are the paper sandwich bags. You could also use craft paper, but these bags are a bit softer and one side is nice and shiny. One bag will create 2 leaves. You can make 4, but of course they will be much smaller. You can create a template and make all the leaves look the same. I just draw each one by myself and let them not to be perfect. I think this will create more realistic look. You can also decide what type of leaf do you want to make. Cut them out, making sure the pen line is not visible. Bring not too big branch from outside and start attaching your paper leaves to it. I squeeze the bottom, apply hot glue and glue them individually to the branch. I think it creates nice addition to your shelf or dining table. You can make fuller set or even use them as a garland above your fireplace. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment your favorite project, like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video.